Hello and welcome to another video. It's time to actually use the car I built 3 weeks. Yeah. We are all loaded, ready to go to the first drift event of the season and of the year. And as you can see, we have a chaser in the truck because as far as you ask me, it's done. We still got to do the air ride because it arrived yesterday. I'm very hyped to see how the car performs, if it will hold, what mistakes or problems it will cause and show. That's basically the reason for the event, what we're gonna do. Test the car, see if everything works, if it will actually work as a drift taxi in general. That idiot. The last days we actually painted his car, which you can see there. And is now all white as well. Well, most of it. We still gotta get a new hood because that was crap. It's still a lot banged up kind of because someone doesn't know how to drive and keep it off the gravel. So
and leave the hood on the car.
Yeah, and not let the hood fly up. But yeah, at the same time I painted already the bumper of the S13 because I was already...
Looks like new.
It looks like new. Shout out to KBD because that stuff is really amazing. And if you think if you paint the part it's less flexible, that's not the case. Because it's still really rubbery. And the
just sit on it.
Paint doesn't... Yeah. That's a whole different problem. We're gonna take care of that after the weekend, after we tested the Chaser. So the Supra is loaded up, Chaser is loaded up. We got a bunch of tires, stuff, merch, and we're gonna continue this at the track. It's Chaser time, it's done. We're at the first drift event of the year. Hopefully everything goes well, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's do a little walk around on this car. It's still very clean. I did the first test rounds, so this is all done. Rear seats all done. These are not the finished wheels. Sadly, I ordered the wrong lug nuts to be able to run these in the rear. The strums from my S13 are way too wide, they stick out too much and I don't want to ruin the paint. And the front ones didn't get done in time for powder coating for this event. But for Tuning World Bodensee, it's gonna have its full livery and the air ride and everything fitted. But so far, it works great and yeah, I hope I'll keep it in one piece. This is why this is gonna be changed as the first thing when we're back from this event. This fucking shit. Ich weiß nicht! Ich weiß schon! Hä? Da ist nichts! Da ist doch gar nichts! Das ist Hütchen! Das ist Hütchen! Da ist doch gar nichts passiert! Entspannt euch! Aber das war so! Ja! Das ist so dumm, wie tief der ist! Ah! Oh!
The weekend was perfect. The car held up, we had fun, and everything went as planned. The season started pretty nice, and we hope that this year will keep up like that.
Ja, komm einmal vor noch da. Und dann einfach. Stell den einfach vors Tor, wir müssen ihn eh waschen. Wunderbar. Ja. So we're back. We already started fixing up the chaser, but it did exactly what it was supposed to do. It drives super good. It's really smooth. The new suspension is gonna add a little tricky to that with it being air ride, but we'll see about that and how well that performs. Now we just need to get some nice wheels on it, and see you next time. Have a good one.